In this video, I'll show you how to make a copy using your Brother MFC printer. So depending on which kind of model you have, you may have one with a scanner glass scanner and also a top feeder scanner. If you have one with a scanner glass, you're going to put your document facing down with the top part on the left side. And you'll notice that over here in this corner, there is an arrow. And you need to align this paper with this arrow. So make sure the corner of the paper touches the corner with the arrow. Then close down this lid. Make sure you have some paper inserted in your printer. Extend the paper tray. On the control panel, you're going to find copy. So press that copy button. Here there's many settings. I won't go through all of them because there's so many. Make sure everything fits your project. And then once you're done, you're going to see there is a green color button and there's also a white button. You'll need to decide if you want a color copy or a black and white copy. In my case, I simply want black and white, so I will press the white button. If you want a color copy, press the green one. Press it once, and you just have to wait a few seconds. Here we go. So this is how we made the copy. Now, if you have multiple pages that you want to make a copy of, let's say I have these two pages, you can put them, if your printer is equipped with one, on the top scanner over here. This is a scanner. So what you need to do, put them upside down with the top part on the left side, glide them through these two tabs like that. Okay, glide them completely. And then the same thing on the control panel here. Well, let me exit here. On the control panel, press copy and make sure that these settings are okay with you. And then press either of these buttons. I'll press this one and wait. The printer will take one by one each pages. You do not need to touch anything. Here we go. And by the way, I forgot to mention, but you can extend this small plastic clip so the pages do not come flying over. So thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, leave a comment. And if you want to support my channel, check the Amazon affiliate links if you want to get some ink or some paper for your Brother printer. Each time you're doing this, you're supporting my channel. Thanks again.